Hello everyone. I hope you understood whatever I taught you yesterday. So today is day 2 and what we will be learning today is given here index of day 2 and what we are going to learn today is headings. Then we'll move forward to paragraphs, then styling, HTML links, image. And in heading, what we are going to learn is how do we give heading to the topics. In paragraphs, we are going to learn how do we write paragraphs instead of single lines. And in styling, we will be seeing how to make text bolder in italics or create a underline on them. Then comes HTML links. In HTML links, we are going to see that how do we link to HTML pages or to web pages, how we are going to link that. And in image, we will see how do we insert images in our web page. So let's get started. So first comes the heading. As I told you, it is used for giving heading to the topics. There are 6 heading tags from H1 to H6. H1 represents the most important, or you can say the biggest heading. Typos, biggest heading, and H6 represent the least important, or you can say the smallest heading. The size, or in other words, you can say H1 is the most biggest in size and H6 represents the most smallest size. The size decreases from H1 to H6 and these are closed tags. I told you earlier what are closed and open tags, and syntax for this heading will be this. First you have to open an H1 or whichever size you want and then place your heading here or your text here and then close the H1 tag. So in this way you can give heading to your HTML text. So let's come to paragraphs. Paragraph tag is used to write paragraph. So for example, you don't want to give heading to you don't want to give heading to different lines. You want to write a paragraph. So under P tag, you can give heading to once. You can write H1 once, and then you can continue writing. So P tag is used, and this is a close tag, and this is the syntax. P tag, first open P tag, then hello, good morning, I'm learning HTML, then close the P tag. Then comes the styling. B tag is used to make the text bolder, and the syntax is hello. First, as every syntax, open the tag, then write your text, and then close the tag. Then comes U tag, it is used to underline the text. I tag, it is used to print the text in italics. These all are close tags. Then comes the link. This is A tag. A stands for anchor tag. What does it stand for? Anchor tag. It is used to link your current web page to another web page. This is a close tag, and syntax for this will be A href. Now you must be wondering what is href. It stands for hyperreference. And suppose we gave this URL. URL stands for Uniform Resource Locator, or you can say this is the address where do you want to take your web page. Where do you want to go? So this is the URL, https://www.google.com. So here I have put the text under this. While you will be clicking on this text, go to Google, then you will be directed to this page, google.com. And as I told you, href attribute stands for hyperreference. and this is also a close tag. Then comes the image tag, img. It is used to insert an image in a web page. Syntax for this will be img src and the location of this file. In this, what I have done is I have kept my picture which I want to display in my web page. I have kept both the files and the picture in the same location. So that's why I have written just abc.jpg. If your file is somewhere else in the computer or laptop, you need to write the complete location of this picture. So now you must be wondering, how do we know the location of a picture? So just you have to do that. Right click on that picture, go to properties, and there you will see something like c slash slash whatever the location is. Then after that put a slash, then the name of this file dot extension, whatever the extension of that image is. SRC attribute refer to the location of the image. This is the path given. That where is the image stored, whichever whatever image we want to print. So we will be discussing everything I told you in practical. So first let me tell you about what you have to do. This is the task for you. Write a paragraph of 3 to 4 lines about yourself, link a sentence to other website, and insert an image of yourself. This is quite simple. And sample output I have given, like you have written introduction, my name is Nikita Challar, I am 21 years old, and so and so and so. Okay. So like this, you have to create a hypertext as well. Hypertext means the text which is the text on which when we click it goes it redirects us to a different page, different web page, and then you have to give an image of yourself. So let's run the code. Let's show you how to do it practically. So this is the code I have already written here. This is doc type HTML. As I have already told you, this defines the type of the document, that it is HTML. Then HTML tag. Every web document starts and ends with HTML tag. Then comes the head tag. Then title tag, here I have given day 2 since it is our day 2, and then I have closed the head tag here. Then body tag, then I have written this h1 and then underline tag, then this is our day 2, and then I have closed this u tag and h1 tag. So yes, we can insert the tags inside each other, but the condition is whatever tag you have written later is opened later, you have to close that earlier. That's it. And then the paragraph tag. Then I have made everything in bolder. So this is we will cover heading, paragraph, styling, HTML links, image today, and this is all there. This is the I tag. So to watch previous lessons, click on the link below. This text will appear in italics. Then comes the anchor tag. Here I have given the source to my previous video. This is the link to that. And then H6 I have used here, the least important heading. Then day 1. Then comes here the image src. The same way I have stored both the image and the HTML file at the same location, and this is the h4. Thank you for watching these lessons. Sure, if you like it. And then I have closed this h4 tag, then body tag is closed, then HTML tag is closed. So the point to be noted here is that HTML language is not case sensitive. It does not matter that you type your tags in capital letter or small letters. The effect will be same. So let's run this code. I have saved it by the name day2.html. So after running that code, this is the this is what you will see on your browser. This is the date 2 tag. This is our date 2, and this is the heading which I gave with the underline tag. This is which we wrote in paragraph tag with some little bold effect, and this is the text which I wrote between the italics tag, and this is day 1. You must be wondering, I did not give any color to this text. So this is the hyper text. Before clicking on it, before visiting your web page, your directed web page, the location which you gave, it appears blue in color, and after you click on it, it appears violet. So let's see what happens if we click on this. This is the location which I gave to my previous video, and then I inserted an image here, and this is the last. I wrote H6 or H4 tag I wrote here. So that's all for today. Hope you like this. And if you have any doubts, comment in the section, put your doubts in the comment section. Thank you.